Alright, welcome back to the channel. Here we're gonna hear some real quick. Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name's David and we're back in the Mustang today, and the Mustang's getting a modification. I've had it for a while. So yeah, like I said, I've had the modification for a while, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. In today's video, we're going to attempt to put a spoiler on the car, wing, whatever you want to call it. So that's what we're going to do. And right now I'll show you guys what kind I got for the Mustang. So without further ado, I'm not going to do any unboxing or anything, but let's go ahead and show this puppy. And holy cow, this looks good.
Hey, that's pretty good.
It looks super good, guys. So I'm gonna leave you with a little cinematic view of it, and we'll go ahead in the install. It's not on yet. There you go, that's the track spoiler. Now we're gonna go ahead and take it out and get you a cinematic view. With that being said, that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.